Dad, what about me that makes you proud?
Dad, what about me makes you proud?
What makes you proud of me?
Papa, what about me makes you proud?
Since you follow Jesus, I'm so proud of you also.
The only thing that I can see na nakaka-proud sa'yo is yung sinusunod mo parati yung will ng Lord.
What makes me proud about you is that you have come to know our God.
You're bright. You're genius like me. Yes. Yeah, I'm so proud of you.
I have a disciple, and that is you. Tay, what makes you proud of me? Salamat Tay sa mga sakripisyo mo, sa mga paghihirap mo, sa mga ginawa mo lahat para sa amin. Mahal na mahal kita at sobrang proud ako sa iyo na ikaw yung naging tatay ko. Kung papipiliin man ako ng paulit-ulit, ikaw pa rin yung pipiliin kong maging tatay.
Hi, baby Tep Tep. You know that I really, really love you, and I'm so blessed that I have you as my baby boy.
Sana paglaki mo maging proud ka sa akin. Sobrang excited na kaming makita ka sa paglabas mo.
Sana, Asher, maging malaki kang malusog, healthy. Sana maging proud ka kay Daddy paglaki mo, and sana maging dancer ka din, kamukha ni Daddy.
Also grateful for you for raising us up along with my brothers, and thank you for teaching us the ways of life and training us in everything that we do.
Yes. And thank you, Dad, for everything so much more.
In the future, I can be a good husband because I have followed your example.